Many people want to import things from Dubai, but they don't know how and where they can import their things from to their home country. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step on how you can import things from Dubai to Ghana or any African country. And the best part is, the process is not complicated as many people think. And also, at the end of this video, I'll be giving out suppliers contacts, so don't forget to watch this video to the end. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video, because we share lots of importation tips, business opportunities and many entrepreneurship opportunities, and also how to start and build your own business. My name is Saidu Saudekaba and this is Business with SK. I won't waste much time here, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to know if you want to import things from Dubai to Ghana or any African country is to know the type of product you want to import from. There are many types of products you can import from in Dubai, like perfumes, cars, jewelries, abayas, jalbabs, and many others. And remember, choose a product that is high in demand in your country. Don't go and choose any product. Let's say Ghana here, perfume business and abaya business is the product that is high in demand, and you go on to choose maybe jewelry business which is not high in demand. You bring it to Ghana, you see, you wouldn't be getting much sales on it. So please, when you are going in for a niche, make sure you choose a product that has a high demand in your country. After finding the product you want to import from Dubai, let's say I want to import perfumes. The next step is to find a legit supplier in Dubai. You have to find a legit supplier who can supply you with the perfumes you want. There are many ways where you can find legit suppliers. Some of them are having websites. Some of them too, you have to get an agent for them to go to their head office and get you their contacts. Yes. So after finding a legit supplier to buy your perfumes from, then you move on to the payment method. After getting to know the price of the goods you want to buy, you then go ahead, negotiate and make payment to your supplier. And for the payment method, there are many ways. Either bank transfer, maybe you can give it to someone in Dubai to make payments on behalf of you if you are in your home country, not in Dubai. But if you're in Dubai, you can just give it to them, physical cash, bank transfer, they will just accept. And also make sure you take receipts after making payments. Very necessary. So after making payments, you then move ahead to your shipping method. This is where you send your goods from your supplier warehouse to your shipping company. There are two types of shipping methods. That's sea shipping and air shipping. Sea shipping takes like 45 to 60 days and air shipping takes approximately 2 days to 3 days for it to arrive in the home country. But remember, air shipping is expensive compared to the sea shipping. Air shipping, we normally use the weight of the package to check your bill for you, and for the sea shipping, they use the CBM of your package to check your bill for you. So after deciding to use any of the shipping methods, let's say you want to use sea shipping, yes, so after 45 to 60 days and your goods arrive in your home country, your shipping company will call you to come for pickup of your goods. Yes, so when you pick up your goods, this is where you start selling. That's the most exciting part. There are many ways to make sales for your products. Facebook ads are there, WhatsApp ads, Instagram, GG, Shopify and many others. You just have to take quality pictures and videos, post it on these platforms, then start selling. One mistake most people do in importation businesses, as a beginner, they will invest all their money in the cost of the products, but forgetting about the shipping bill they will pay after the goods arrive or before the goods arrive. Yes, most people forget that part. So please, when you are buying things, make sure you save some money for the shipping fee. If you are really serious about learning Dubai importation, how to import your own perfumes, abayas, jewelries and many others, don't forget to DM me to register our courses. Dubai importation is not very difficult if you follow the process really well. If this video really helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. My name is Saidu Saudekaba and this is Business with SK. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.